Okay, I would say no one is small today. I think everyone is doing his bit, and in their own area, they are quite large in itself. It takes a lot of processes and man flow and money which goes into in terms of creating a thing. While everything is created, things become very normal, and it becomes like an habitual process of business. Yes, related to the business, we have some state processes which currently we get into. We understand a brand, we understand their product portfolio, we understand their current SKU lineup, the process of warranty or the spare part, what they have, a back end and completely hands on and henceforth. And that is wherein we start creating a product. We are a flexi company, I would say. When we say flexi company, we don't have just a vanilla product that we just give it X. No, I think the vanilla with a strawberry can be a good point of placement, what we can develop. It could be something like which could be a basic, which could be a gold and a premium and a platinum, what we can create it as a process. So that all happens only when we know that what kind of a product portfolio we are entering, what kind of a volume it's going to anticipate at the larger process for a year, and then the designing of the product is done. We're very strategically back-ended structured with all our leading back-end partners, and that's what how we evolve at a point of a product development.